Hi, everyone. For our capstone, we have a project sponsored by Smartsheet. To start off, businesses and organizations need a way to find and schedule their human and financial capital for the tasks that they take on, or in other words, manage the resources. This impacts their time management, hiring needs, and preparation for growth. Resource management is done through resource allocation, project planning, skills and experience matching, and using historical data to make future decisions. Recognizing this problem area, Smartsheet acquired a product 10,000 feet and is integrating it into their product offering. Smartsheet came to us hoping to find a way to provide intelligent recommendations for staffing work across their customer organizations. So when beginning our research, we wanted to ask ourselves, how might businesses leverage resourcing data to optimize resource planning and allocation?
First, we conducted background literature review research to understand what an RM tool is and its beneficial features. Major takeaways are on the slide. Next, we looked at competing market RM tools. We found that competitors offer smoother onboarding processes and have overall better UX. Our main round of research was through user interviews. The main feedback we got was that users wanted more customizable features and that the over allocation feature was confusing. For our first persona, we created one based on our sponsor's target demographic. This user is an expert RM working in a large tech company. Their goal is to have a scalable view of the entire organization. On the opposite end, we created a user that is a beginner RM working in a small startup company. Their goal is to have a basic tool that assigns roles to their employees.
Key features on the Add Criteria page include a slider to set allocation, clearly labeled checkboxes for the PM to indicate if this is a must-have qualification, optional fields with smartly adjusting drop-down options, and 2 actions for the PM to choose between, setting a placeholder and adding a team member. Once the PM chooses to add a team member, key features on this page are an expanded split screen view that allows the ability to dynamically adjust criteria, a table of matches with symbols indicating met or unmet criteria, and the ability to still search the company list directly. Finally, the criteria used in SmartAssign are now visible on employees' profile screens.
The next step in our design process was to user test with individuals who were familiar with the RM tool. The major concepts that we wanted to test were the customizable criteria functions and ease of understanding for the search results. We've summarized our key insights from the user testing on the slide here, but the major points included an overall positive response for the customizability, as well as some small quality of life changes to make the information more easily accessible. Now we'll be showing a walkthrough of our product. When a project manager decides to add a team member to a project, they are first prompted to select a specific phase of the project or the entire project itself. The dates of each phase are listed on the right. Now the project manager can add the criteria that makes our SmartAssign feature possible. They can slide here to adjust the range of allocation needed and then choose to add the desired qualifications of a team member in these optional fields. They can also choose to signal if it is a must-have piece of criteria, meaning it would be a deal breaker if the team member does not meet this. Finally, they can now either set a placeholder for the role or move forward with adding a team member. SmartAssign has then retrieved us a list of matches and a table of information, including how close of a match they are to the desired role, their current allocation, and the met and unmet criteria. After comparing matches' qualifications and even their schedules, the product manager can choose to assign the team member.